You are a business owner who produces content for his personal brand. You probably have less and less time to produce your content. So let me show you how you can get the most bang for your buck and just produce the content that your audience will engage in. I'm talking about the effort and impact matrix. So think about the matrix. Each quadrant, I'm going to talk about which content is specific to each quadrant and which content you should produce the most. So in quadrant number 1, so the top right quadrant, is the one quadrant that is high in impact and high in effort. So you need to spend a lot of time and energy producing this content. Think cinematic content, podcasts, high-end YouTube videos, something like that. But it drives a lot of growth and a lot of traffic. This is the content that is key to your personal brand. You should only use around 10 to 20% of your energy to produce this kind of content. This content should maybe do 10%, maybe 15% of your total content that you put out. So don't overdo it because it costs too much of your energy to produce. So next up is the second quadrant. The second quadrant is the high in impact but low in effort. This is your core content pillar. 60 to 70% of your content should come from here because it's easy to produce but still really effective. This is for your core audience. This is for your audience that you really want to fuel. This is the value you give day in, day out. Think YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Instagram carousels, LinkedIn posts, newsletters, all this. Not too much time, but really high in impact. This is 60 to 70% of your personal brand. Use the low effort to get more time back for you building your business and not just focusing on day in, day out, producing content 4 or 5 hours a day. This is not productive. Use it wisely. And now the third quadrant. This is a key quadrant. This is the connection quadrant because it's low in effort and low in impact. So you might think, okay, why low in impact? Why can't this be a key part? This is for your 1,000 true fans that you want to build. This is the Instagram stories, the quick talking head videos that you just post randomly. People who want to know about your diet and your sport, your fitness, how you do your day-to-day life, your routines, anything like that. If you can share that, the true 1,000 fans that will follow you for this because they like you. This is where you can be as authentic as possible. For me, authenticity is a real big value point. So I try to do this in every single piece of content I produce, but some people don't value it this much. No problem, everybody their choice. So use this kind of content to produce authentic content for your true fans. Those will be the fans that become your first customers, your first long-time clients. They will refer you first, they will become affiliates, they will tell all their friends about you. Those are the core people you want to fuel. So spend 5 to 10% of your energy because it's low in effort, but maybe 10 to 15% of your content that you put out to fuel this core base. And now the last quadrant is the fourth quadrant. Low in impact and high in effort. Just ignore this quadrant. Never produce any content in this quadrant because you've spent so much time but you get no value for it. So just to conclude once again, spend enough time in the first quadrant. This is your high effort, high impact content. Those are your key pieces you want to focus around. Spend enough time, but also make sure they have enough impact. So place your CTAs, do your ads if you have to, make key people appear in there, do the right color grading, the right cutting, everything. Focus on this. But don't spend more than 20% of your energy on this content, because it drains so much energy that you could use to grow your business and work on your business. Now the second quadrant, once again, core pillar. Focus on this, 60% of your output, just core content pillar output, easy and effective. Third quadrant, 100 or 1,000 true fans. No matter how big your audience, you always have those true fans from day one. If you can gather those and deliver specific value to them, that's a key. And fourth quadrant, ignore. If you do this right, you can save so much time and energy producing content. Focus on your business day in, day out. If this effort and impact matrix will help you or helped you already, click the link in the description. It will take you to my 10-day and 10 lessons email course that will just get your personal brand set up for business and let you produce better content. It's completely free, just your email, 10 emails over 10 days. Go have a look at it. Stay authentic and see you next time.